The Zealot S95 is an amazing speaker from Zealot. The unique shape of this speaker is something I find to be really amazing. The Zealot ZE01 is another beautiful speaker from Zealot, almost looking like the Zealot S95. Both of these speakers are similar in size, and another similarities you find on both speakers is the fact that they both came with a strap. So if you actually love taking your speaker along with you on the go with a strap, you will definitely enjoy that feature on both speakers. But the Zealot ZE01 right here actually has a handle and a strap as well, and these are the ports you find on both speakers. They are pretty similar: the USB-A, USB Type-C, and the aux port and the memory card port if you want to put something like that in your portable speaker. And these are the ports you find on the Zealot S95. Like I said earlier, they both have the same ports. In this particular comparison, we are going to be comparing both speakers on different volume using different beats, so you definitely want to stay to the end to get a proper understanding on how both speakers stack up against each other regarding sound, as different beats is going to bring different results. The fact that the Zealot S95 came with no handle is one big downside for me. That is something I really don't like about the S95. But as for the ZE01, for those that love handle, you definitely have a good handle on the ZE01. The total output power for both speakers is 120 watts. But after listening to both speakers for a while, I realized the sound from both speakers are totally different. So I recommend you use a headphone or you play from a good speaker, as that's one way you can get a better audio experience. For those that love displaying lights on Zealot speakers or portable speakers generally, you might want to consider going for the S95. The ZE01 right here, sharing the same shape with the ZE21, you find the same light features on both speakers. But speaking of the S95, the RGB lights on the S95 is just more present. So that is why I say, for those that love the displaying lights on portable speakers, I'm going to be displaying the price of both speakers on the screen. In most cases, the price could be the same thing or not, depending on your area. For direct purchase link, you can check the description down below. And for more information regarding their features, you want to know more about their features, you can check the unboxing videos of both speakers in this channel. I'm going to be adding links to those videos in the description below, so you can check that out. And I appreciate if you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And let me know your comments in the comment section. Let me know which one you think did it better. And just like you, I'm actually curious to hear the sound difference between both of them, so I'll be letting you guys know my opinion at the end of this video. The 3 dedicated EQ mode for Zealot speakers, which is the normal EQ, bass boost, and the vocal boost, they are all different EQ modes, and they can both sound different depending on the EQ mode they are playing on. And as for the bass EQ, as the name implies, bass EQ, you focus more on the bass, and as for the vocal boost, you get more treble. And as for the normal EQ, which is the standard EQ mode, is the one I find to be more pleasant, as it's more organized, sounds more better when playing on the normal EQ mode on the Zealot speakers. That is one thing you'll find on almost all the Zealot speakers. The normal EQ is the most usable one, as it's considered to be more pleasant to the ear. So in this particular comparison, we're going to be playing both speakers on normal EQ. And if you are curious to hear the sound difference between both speakers on vocal boost and bass EQ, then you definitely want to check out the outdoor sound comparison we'll be doing with both speakers. Without further ado, let's go. %, volume, normal EQ. Volume, normal EQ. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Let's go, yeah. normal EQ. Let's go. Volume, normal EQ. 50% volume, normal EQ. Let's go. 100% volume, normal EQ. 100% volume, normal EQ. Let's go. 100% 100% volume, normal EQ. Let's go. Hey! 100% volume, normal EQ.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan. I feel like they will never let me shine. What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why is yours so much better than mine? I gotta wait in line for you to feel me. I got to hold my time for your healing. I got to take a back seat, are you kidding me? I got to grab my chance cause it's fleeting. Cause this just feels like yesterday. Just feels like yesterday.
100% volume, let's go.
Feel like they wanna. What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why is yours so much better than mine? I gotta wait in line for you to feel me. I got to hold my time for your healing. I got to take a back seat, are you kidding me? I got to grab my chance cause it's fleeting. Cause this just feels like yesterday. This just feels like yesterday. Oh, 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 this just feels like yesterday.
Okay, so that's the end of the sound comparison. Both speakers sound amazing. If you care about something really loud with sharp tweeters, you want to go for the S95. I consider the sound of the S95 to be sharper comparing to the ZE01. But as for the ZE01, I noticed the bass on the ZE01 was slightly more present compared to the S95. But for that reason, when you get to play a song with heavy bass, you get to hear some annoying sound on the ZE01 because the speaker tries to push out more bass. So that's it for today's video. You can check out the outdoor sound comparison of both speakers in this channel. Until next time, peace and love.